In this guide, I will show you precisely how to install Grand Theft Auto 5 on your PC. So what you need to do first is go and launch any web browser. And right when you are there, you need to head to the search bar and type in GTA 5. Now what you need to do next is just scroll down until you find Rockstar Games and click on Grand Theft Auto 5. Now here is the most crucial step to acquire the game. What you have to do is scroll down until you spot Buy Now. Then you need to look over to the right side. Now you will see there are choices for PS5, Xbox, PS4, Xbox One, and even PC. Now we wish to install for PC, so go ahead and tap on Select Platform, and then go ahead and pick the PC option. And so in order to access the game, all you have to do now is just click on Buy Now. Now once you have done this, you will be sent to a page to fill in some standard details as well as your billing method. And when you finish that, you will be ready to play Grand Theft Auto 5. And if you found this guide useful, please like and subscribe.